Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm giving you a full 2025 guide on how to insert, edit, and manage newsletter images and Gifs in Mailerlite. Whether you're creating eye-catching promotions or just want to add some fun visuals to your emails, this tutorial will walk you through every step. Simple, fast, and foolproof. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share a quick tip to keep your visuals looking sharp in every inbox. Log in to Mailerlite. First things first, head over to the Mailerlite homepage and log in. If you want the quickest way, use the Sign In with Google option. It's fast and secure. Once you're inside your Mailerlite dashboard, you're ready to start managing your media. Access the File Manager. From the dashboard, locate the File Manager. This is your central hub for all images and GIFs you'll use in your campaigns. Think of it as your personal media library inside Mailerlite. Upload images and GIFs in the File Manager. Click Upload Image. Browse your computer and select the visuals you want to use, whether it's a product photo, a promotional banner, or a fun animated GIF. Mailerlite supports common file types, so your uploads will be smooth. Insert media into your newsletter. Now, let's add those visuals to your email. Go back to the dashboard and click on Campaigns. Open the draft newsletter you're working on and click Content to enter the editor. Here's the fun part. Drag and drop your uploaded images or GIFs right into the email body. You can resize them, align them left or right, or add links so readers can click through to your website or store. Edit and perfect your design need to tweak your visuals. Mailerlite's editor lets you adjust image sizes, add alt text for accessibility, and even crop or replace files without leaving the editor. Take a moment to preview how it looks on desktop and mobile so everything is crisp. Save and finalize. Once you're happy with the placement and appearance, click Done Editing. This saves all your changes and prepares your newsletter for sending. From here, you can schedule or send your campaign with confidence. And that's it. A complete 2025 guide to inserting, editing, and managing images and GIFs in Mailerlite. With these steps, your newsletters will stand out and capture your audience's attention every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick email marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.